Good evening to all. Today I'm talking about the topic is how to overcome from laziness, and we will show always energetic. Slide. First time we want partners for do anything. With these partners we will not feel laziness. Second thing, we don't sleep at night. So with this the bad habit from this, we will don't sleep at night. We will very lazy at morning, like office time we will sleep but off walking. And third time we will see our environment and mood, we will fresh our mind because our mind will disturb like some places. In this place we will do our mood, our mind was not fresh, and what we want to why do this work, we will think like some we will read like this dirty things we will see means our mind was disturbed. But like this we want to like, and we will read like anything with this less fresh mood, and we will see that we will sit near the windows. It will come some fresh air and some outside environment. Our mood will fresh. So we will do any work and time we will do some outdoor because it will only fresh our mind. And another thing was we want to wake up at morning and we will drink 2 glasses of full waters because we will sleep at night to morning. Our body was hydrated and we will feel lazy, but we will drink 2 glasses of water. Our come from some energy, like we will feel better than about friends. So we'll drink fresh water, 2 glasses of water, or we will wake up morning. And another thing was we will plan our work from tomorrow. We will want to do some, we want to go office, and evening work at home, and night want to do some work, and where is some how to want to spend money, like more things we want to plan before tomorrow at night before sleeping to bed. And it will notice on note and will take tomorrow and we'll find only one and we'll get energetic, and this work will be finished. Okay, I will finish this and we will go fastly and finish this all these works. So